I mean, it's at the core of everything we do. Each decision does go back to it impacts each employee owner directly. I mean, we have regular, meetings on the big decisions that need to be made. We have, high consideration of how does this impact, how does this decision impact, the financial well-being of the company, the valuation of the company, which will impact, the employee owners at all levels. And I think what you see is, my experiences, what you see there is you see a different level of engagement at all levels. Me being in the chief supply chain officer position, I have the same level of engagement with the company as everybody. At the warehouse worker level, at the branch manager level, at the sales level, at the digital level, and we were all invested into the success of the company to the same degree. So I think what you see is a lot more ownership of the processes, ownership of success. I think you see a lot more co-creation. So as we bring problems forward, you see a lot of hands come in to help solve that problem. So it's a lot of collective problem solving, co-creation and collaboration along the way, which I think is unique. I've seen that at other companies, but I think once you're an employee owner, I think that creates a unique culture where that's not only asked for and celebrated, it's fostered by all individuals at the table. So it's fun to be a part of.